Is it safe to eat undercooked cake?
Hello there. In today's segment, we're going to address an intriguing question. Can I still eat a cake if the middle is undercooked? It's an issue that can arise for any of us while we're baking, so it's important to know what's safe and what's not.
What does it mean when a cake is undercooked?
First, let's delve into what we mean when we say a cake is undercooked. In simple terms, an undercooked cake is one that has not been baked for long enough. This results in a cake with a middle that might be too soft, sticky, or even liquid. It's usually due to the interior not reaching a high enough temperature to fully cook the batter. Now, let's talk about the implications of eating undercooked cake.
Can I eat an undercooked cake?
Now, to the heart of the matter. While the texture might not be pleasant, is it harmful to eat undercooked cake? The answer is that it depends. If your cake does not contain any raw eggs or dairy products, then eating an undercooked cake is not likely to cause any harm, aside from maybe a stomachache due to the dense or raw flour. However, if your cake contains raw eggs and it hasn't been cooked sufficiently, there is a risk of salmonella. Salmonella can cause food poisoning and is a risk associated with consuming undercooked or raw eggs. Moreover, some individuals are allergic to raw flour or could become ill due to potential bacteria in the flour. So, while it's generally safe, there are a few factors to consider.
How can I avoid undercooked cake?
The best way to avoid this predicament altogether is to ensure your cake is properly cooked in the first place. Using a cake tester or toothpick is a reliable method. If it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, your cake is done. If it's coated with batter, it needs more time. Also, following your recipe's suggested baking time and temperature closely, and adjusting if necessary for your specific oven, will usually yield a properly cooked cake. So there you have it. In general, eating undercooked cake isn't harmful unless it contains raw eggs or if you have a raw flour intolerance. However, it's best to avoid the situation by ensuring your cake is fully baked. As always, when in doubt, it's better to be safe than sorry. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy baking, and remember, the secret ingredient is always love.